Hello, welcome to Unit 2 of Headway Beginner. My name is Richard and I'm a teacher from England. In this unit, you will learn how to say where you are from.
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Saudi Arabia.
I'm from Japan.
You will also learn how to talk about other people. His name's Edgar. He's from Australia. Her name's Gabriella. She's from Spain. Watch a video where different people talk about themselves. Where are they from? 3 and 5 make 8. 6 and 9 make... Oh. In everyday English, you will learn the numbers from 11 to 30. Mr. Class, go online to learn and practice. Good luck. See you later.